If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to figure out which AI tools actually work, you're not alone. I've tested close to 100 different AI tools, and I've narrowed it down to just 5. The 5 that you actually need to build AI agents that actually generate money for you. In this video, I'm going to break down these 5 essential AI tools, why they matter, how they work together, and how they can save you time, money, and effort while helping you close more deals, capture more leads, and fully automate your operations. Also, I use more than just these tools, but I chose these 5 specifically because of their focus on AI and are the most important when building AI agents, which you will need to make an extra $1 million a year. And if you need one-on-one consulting or want AI agents built out for you, book a call with me down below. Please subscribe and let's get right into it. These 5 AI tools make up the human form of the AI agents that will scale your business. Every business needs a brain to think, a nervous system to connect everything, a voice to communicate, a heart to pump blood and stay alive, and a memory to store and recall information. These 5 tools work in sync like a fully functional human, creating your AI agent that allows your business to run on autopilot while you focus on what truly matters: growth, strategy, and scaling. The first tool, and arguably the most important, as you probably already guessed it, is ChatGPT. This is the brain of your business and agent. It strategizes, generates ideas, and processes data instantly, replacing hours of manual work. Whether you need content, outreach messages, or customer service responses, ChatGPT provides you an answer in just seconds. So an example of using ChatGPT to create content such as ads is here. So for example, like I'm running an AI automation business and I need an ad to promote an AI voice receptionist. I can write this prompt here. So I'll just quickly write one. So here you go. This is an example of a prompt that I entered into ChatGPT. So as you can see here, write a persuasive Facebook ad. So this is the task, and these are the benefits. So the context. And here is an expectation of the output that I require. And I am explaining the audience, so home services companies in Australia. And I want it to be engaging and conversion focused. And I want it in this output, in the ADA format. So yeah, this is the prompt for generating an ad copy for Facebook ads. So I'll just go ahead and run it. So as you can see here, it's providing an output. So it's following the ADA format. Yep. See, so it produced a pretty good ad copy in just a few seconds, and with a simple but effective prompt. So obviously, I can't just use it like this as it is. I will need to make my own edits, such as removing some of the emojis here. But this just completed 80% of my work, and 20% of my work that I have left, I just edit this myself and add my own personal touch to it. So yeah, this is just a quick preview of how you can use ChatGPT to create content and ideas. But where ChatGPT really shines is in AI agents training and prompt engineering. Your AI agents are only as effective as the instructions they receive. Garbage in, garbage out. Remember that concept. And prompt engineering is the most valuable skill in AI, as by learning it, you can design the best optimal prompts to get you to your desired results, which will get you very far in this world. So if you want to learn prompt engineering and you haven't watched my video yet, you can watch it up here. And I've also uploaded a masterclass on prompt engineering for voice agents specifically, so check that out as well up here. But anyways, this is an example of a prompt that I wrote for my AI appointment setter. I won't go over this entire prompt, but as you can see here, I have clearly formatted and structured it in Markdown format. I've described its roles, its skills, its personality. So I basically created my own RPG game character, and I provided it the context, so information about my business. And I provided it its task, which is to have an open-minded discussion and qualify the lead. And I provided the steps and how to do it. So step 1, greet the lead. And step 2, ask if it's a good time to chat. And if now is a good time, go ahead. And 2, if it's not, call back another time. Yep, so these are basically all my steps. And yeah, if you scroll down, so here are the notes. So things such as like rules, disqualification criteria, objection handling, things like that. So this is a result of careful prompt engineering and structuring. So by learning and mastering prompt engineering, you can get very far and design really good AI agents that are indistinguishable from a human and are far more efficient than a human appointment setter or a human agent in anything, whether it's a receptionist or lead database reactivation, whatever. But either way, if you want to design good AI agents, you have to learn prompt engineering and you have to learn about ChatGPT. So by simply mastering prompt engineering, you can ensure your AI agent sounds natural, handles objections smoothly, and follows a perfect sales process. This makes ChatGPT the core intelligence behind AI agents, helping them think, respond, qualify leads, and book qualified leads seamlessly into appointments. Now, while ChatGPT is the best all-around tool and the first tool everyone thinks of when they hear AI, there are alternatives. So Claude is excellent for code and copywriting, but I found that it lacks emotional depth when used in AI voice agents. DeepSeek is a strong, low-cost alternative, but it has been criticized for data security concerns, censorship, and bias. Grok by Elon Musk is an emerging competitor that has reportedly made significant improvements with Grok 3 and apparently outperforms all its competitors, including ChatGPT, in benchmarks. But it's still not widely adopted, and even I haven't personally used it yet. So if you want to see me try it in the future, let me know in the comments, and please subscribe to my channel. So for now, ChatGPT remains the best tool for businesses looking to generate high-quality content, automate customer interactions, and train AI agents for real-world business applications. The second tool you need is Make.com, the nervous system of your business and AI agents. Just like the nervous system connects signals between the brain and the body, Make.com connects your AI tools, automates workflows, and ensures everything runs smoothly without manual input. By the way, I put all the links to the tools in the description below, so please do check them out. So Make.com allows you to connect different apps, your CRM, AI agents, databases, and marketing tools, so they work together in harmony without you lifting a finger. Instead of manually transferring data, following up on leads, or updating customer records, Make.com does it for you automatically. So for example, imagine a potential customer fills out a form on your website requesting a free quote. Without automation, you'd have to manually check the entry, log in into your CRM, update your database, call the lead, and maybe book an appointment. But with Make.com, this entire process can happen in seconds. The form submission triggers an automation that sends the lead's information to your CRM, updates the contact on your database, and triggers your voice agent to call the lead and book an appointment. This is how automation eliminates human bottlenecks, speeds up response times, and ensures no lead is ever lost. Make.com is the best option for most businesses because it's no-code, user-friendly, and integrates with thousands of apps. But there are alternatives. Zapier is great for beginners with the most number of native integrations with other apps, meaning it's very easy and convenient to use, but it becomes very expensive at scale. There's another tool called N8N, which is open source and free when self-hosted. It's got very powerful features, including an AI agent feature specifically, and with advanced functions missing in Make. However, it has a higher learning curve and requires more technical knowledge, which can seem daunting at first, but learning it is worth it, especially for large scale or enterprise projects due to its significantly cheaper running costs and advanced features. And here's a quick, simple workflow that triggers when a new lead responds to my Facebook ad, where I add it as a contact to my CRM, trigger an email sequence, my AI agent to call the lead, book an appointment, and progress to the next step based on the response. At the end of the day, AI alone isn't enough. You need automation to connect your systems, remove manual work, and scale your business efficiently. Make.com is a tool that ties everything together, although you should ideally upgrade to N8N later. The third tool you need is Retell AI, the voice of your AI agent. Just like how a human needs a voice to communicate, your business needs an AI-powered voice agent to handle calls, qualify leads, and book appointments. Without a voice agent, you're either spending thousands on call centers or just someone to wait around to pick up the phone, or losing leads because you're not responding fast enough. Retell AI solves this by making outbound and inbound calls instantly, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. But beyond just making calls, Retell AI is designed to convert leads into booked appointments. It doesn't just answer the phone. It follows a structured conversational flow, asks the right questions, and guides leads towards actions, just like the AI appointment setter that I showed you just now on Retell. This is critical because leads go cold fast. Research shows that responding within 5 minutes makes you 400% more likely to close a deal, yet most businesses take hours or even days to get back to their leads. And also, leads don't wait around. In fact, 78% of leads go with the first business that reaches out to them. With Retell AI, every lead gets a response within seconds before they move on to a competitor. Imagine a potential customer requests a free quote for your service. With Retell AI, you don't need a human agent to call them back. Instead, the AI instantly dials the lead, greets them, collects their information, and seamlessly books them into your calendar. It can also follow up with customers, confirm appointments, and gather feedback, all without human intervention. Retell AI is powerful because it works 24/7, eliminates the need for expensive call centers, and guarantees that every lead is contacted immediately. Speed is everything in sales, and responding within minutes instead of hours can be the difference between closing a deal and losing it. Now, if you're looking for an alternative, Vappy is the most widely used AI voice solution. It's easy to start with and integrates well with other tools, but some users have reported reliability issues. I haven't personally experienced them, but it's something to consider. Another alternative is VoiceFlow. While primarily known for building AI chatbots, it has recently introduced a voice AI feature. I haven't tested it yet, but VoiceFlow is widely regarded for its intuitive interface and flexibility in creating complex conversational AI agents, and is the most used platform for building chatbots. I even use it as well. So for businesses looking to fully automate inbound receptionist and outbound sales agent calls, including lead follow-ups and appointment booking, Retell AI remains the best choice. It ensures that every lead is followed up on instantly, increasing conversion rates and saving hours of manual work. Your business needs a voice, and Retell AI is your voice. The fourth tool you need is Go High Level, the heart of your AI agent. Just like the heart keeps blood flowing and delivers oxygen to keep the body alive, Go High Level is the operations hub that manages leads, automates follow-ups, and runs your marketing campaigns all in one place. A business without a structured lead and sales system is like a machine without moving parts, unorganized, inefficient, and unable to function at full capacity. And most of all, you need to manually operate it. Leads slip through the cracks, follow-ups get forgotten, and potential customers go cold. That's where Go High Level comes in. It captures, nurtures, and converts leads through automations, ensuring that no opportunity is lost. For example, let's say a prospect fills out a form on your website. Without Go High Level, you'd have to manually track the leads, send follow-ups, and remind them about their appointment. But with Go High Level, the entire process is automated. So the lead is instantly added to your CRM. A personalized SMS or email follow-up is triggered automatically. And if they don't respond, an AI voice agent like Retell can call them to ensure that every lead gets a response. This full automation cycle ensures that leads don't just sit in your pipeline. They actually move through it and convert into paying clients. What makes Go High Level the best choice is its all-in-one functionality. Instead of paying for separate tools for CRM, email marketing, SMS campaigns, and automations, GHL combines everything under one roof. It's intuitive, comprehensive, and specifically designed for agencies and small businesses that need a simple yet powerful solution. Now, if you're considering enterprise-level alternatives, Salesforce and HubSpot are the two biggest names in the CRM space. They offer powerful features, deep integrations, and advanced analytics, making them ideal for large companies with complex sales processes. However, they can be expensive, overwhelming, and often require dedicated teams to manage. Furthermore, if you have a huge email list and really want to scale your email marketing, you will have to look at alternatives like MailChimp. So, for most agencies and small businesses, Go High Level is a better choice. It's easy to use, cost-effective, and designed to automate client acquisition and sales without the complexity of traditional enterprise CRMs. If you need a system that does everything, lead management, automation, and marketing, while fitting seamlessly with your AI agents, Go High Level is a tool to use. The fifth and final tool you need is Airtable, the memory of your AI agent and business. Just like your memory stores and organizes information so you can recall it when needed, Airtable tracks, organizes, and connects all your business data, ensuring nothing is lost or forgotten. Without a proper database, information gets scattered, leads get lost, and the workflow becomes chaotic. Airtable is more than just a spreadsheet. It's a flexible, smart database that allows you to organize and connect your data in ways that Google Sheets simply can't. While Google Sheets works for basic lists, Airtable is more advanced, allowing you to link datasets, automate updates, and visualize information in real time. Now, if you're looking on a large-scale AI-driven application, you might consider alternatives like Supabase or Pinecone. So, Supabase is an advanced, developer-friendly database system built for businesses that need fast, structured data storage with real-time syncing. It's built on PostgreSQL, a powerful enterprise database used for big companies needing high security and scalability. However, it does require technical knowledge, making it better suited for developers rather than business owners looking for an easy-to-use tool. And then there's Pinecone, a specialized AI database designed for machine learning applications like recommendation engines and smart search. If you've ever searched for a product online and seen eerily accurate recommendations, chances are a vector database like Pinecone was behind it. It's a great tool for businesses using AI models that require advanced data retrieval, but it's unnecessary for most simple business workflows. So this is just a quick example of what you can expect with Airtable. So you can see a live visualization of the data that you have, and this syncs in real time. So this is what makes Airtable different from Google Sheets, for example. And so for the majority of users, Airtable remains the best choice. It's easier to use than technical databases, more powerful than Google Sheets, and integrates seamlessly with your automation tools. If you want a simple, intuitive way to organize your business data and keep everything running smoothly, Airtable is a tool that you should be using. However, if you want to get to more advanced use cases, I recommend Supabase or Pinecone. So there you have it. These 5 AI tools work together like a fully functional human, allowing you to build AI agents that run your business on autopilot. ChatGPT is the brain, generating ideas, strategizing, and crafting content, and processing your agent prompting. Mate.com is a nervous system, connecting all your tools and automating workflows. Retell AI is the voice, handling calls, qualifying leads, and booking appointments instantly. Go High Level is the heart of operations, managing your leads, marketing, and sales process. And finally, Airtable is the memory, keeping everything structured and organized so nothing falls through the cracks. With these 5 tools, you can automate lead generation, follow-ups, appointment setting, and data management, saving time and scaling faster without hiring a massive team. However, just knowing the tools isn't enough. You not only need to know how to use them, but you need an effective strategy to combine them into a system with the right strategy to see results. You need the AI ecosystem. If you want the AI ecosystem and you want to work with me, book a free discovery call down below. And if you don't feel ready yet, that's fine. But if you want a personal one-on-one AI consulting session with me, book a call down below. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.